Hello everyone, and welcome back to Amateur Astronomy and Stormchasing. And as was forecasted, we got some flash floods. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. And if you're watching this video, if you haven't yet, please be sure to subscribe down below and like the video, because it really helps out the channel, and I really do appreciate having you here. Right now I'm at Cane Creek Park in Cookeville, Tennessee. Now unfortunately I've been stuck at work for most of the day and the rain has finally slacked off for the time being. So I've kind of missed most of the peak flooding anyways. But the ducks sure do seem to enjoy it. Now undoubtedly the water here has gone down some. As you can see right there is a little bit of a debris line, so I'm sure probably earlier in the day it was up to that point. Our first real wave of rain started yesterday afternoon around 4 p.m. and it stayed pretty constant for about 24 hours straight. We're expecting another round of rain coming here within the next day or so, so that's just really going to add to what we already have here. Actually, within the past 10 days here where I am at in Middle Tennessee, we've recorded just over 6.5 inches of rain. And as you can see on radar scope here, the rain is still coming through tonight, and we have a lot heavier rain moving through later on tonight. Actually, you can see if I scroll down towards Mississippi, we have some much heavier rain that's forecasted moving to the area tonight. So it's possible that we could pick up possibly another inch, maybe another 1.5 inches overnight tonight. So my plan in the morning is I'm just going to go around to a few different areas and just see what kind of flooding I can get on film. And actually tomorrow night now, we're forecasted to get some pretty severe weather moving through. So there's a good chance, maybe some more lightning and everything like that on film. I'll just have to wait and see, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I think we ended up getting like another maybe even 2 inches of rain last night, and they're actually forecasting for possibly another 3 inches today, which is just absolutely incredible. But as you can see here, it's everywhere around here, just standing water. It's looking like this is also going to be the wettest February on record here in Middle Tennessee. Now some of you may remember this spot from a video I posted last year, and it is absolutely roaring today. You can just feel the power of it up here. It's amazing. Now, on top of all this right here, we've actually just been hit with a moderate chance for severe weather down to our southwest. So today's been a very active day weather-wise here in Middle Tennessee. Alright, now here we are. Currently the storms are pretty far to our west still. We actually just had a tornado watch issued for that area. I'm not really seeing a watch being issued here for us tonight because the temperatures just didn't really quite get as high as what I was expecting them to get. But you know, that's just part of it sometimes. Alright, so just a quick little update here. Unfortunately, it looks like their storms have mostly kind of rained themselves out. There is a little line forming further west of this initial line that's coming through right here, but for the most part, it looks like just another rain shield that's moving through really. So it's looking like for the rest of the night, we're really just going to be expecting some heavy rains, which is only going to add to all the flooding that we have going on already. So I'll just give you guys a quick update in the morning. So our storms came and went. Really, we didn't end up getting much of anything. We got some more pretty heavy rain and some pretty gusty winds really. And actually even today, these winds are kind of sticking around with us. You may can hear the wind blowing right now. I'm kind of down in the ravine, so it's sort of blocking it out. For the first time in probably about a week and a half, we've got sunshine in Middle Tennessee, and it's a really welcome change. And for most places here in Middle Tennessee, we actually set the record rainfall for the entire month of February, dating back some 160 years or so. So it's been a really wet month here. It does appear that spring has sprung here in Middle Tennessee though, and that only means one thing's on the horizon: more storms. Thank you guys so much for joining me on my little flash flood adventure here over the past few days. If you haven't yet, please be sure to subscribe to the channel because this helps the channel out so much, and I truly appreciate having you all here. And as always, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy.